I'll guide you through how to contact AT&T Wireless customer service without waiting on hold for the wrong department. If you're looking to get a specific issue resolved quickly, or you want to talk to the right representative on the first try, and so need to contact AT&T Wireless customer service, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Here are the best ways to get in touch with AT&T customer service. The best way to get a quick answer is to find the direct number for your specific issue. But before we do that, let's see if you can resolve the problem yourself. Go to the AT&T Wireless support page at att.com/support/wireless. From there, select a category that matches your problem, such as bill and payments or plans and services. As you go deeper into the support topic, a specific contact number for that issue will often be provided. This saves you from being transferred multiple times. You can use the search field at the top of the page to quickly search for your particular problem to get a solution. If you prefer not to search yourself, AT&T's website offers a convenient chat feature. Still on the support page, scroll down a bit to locate the Chat with a Rep section under Contact Us. Just click on the chat button to call up the chat window. You can start a conversation with the virtual assistant and then request to speak with a live representative to get more detailed help. This is a great way to multitask while you wait for assistance. Finally, if you want to call directly and speak with a real human, here are the most important numbers to know. From your AT&T mobile phone, you can simply dial 611 to be connected to a customer care professional. If you are calling from a non-AT&T number, dial the main AT&T customer service number 1-800-331-0500. That is 1-800-331-0500. Now that you've learned how to contact AT&T Wireless customer service, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more mobile service provider video tutorials. Thanks for watching.